Hello. Happy hump day. As we move on down the week, I have even more really great, incredible job opportunities, of course, coming to you from Fortune 500 companies. Today, we are going to go over some opportunities through US Bank. And as always, I do have some bonus roles, so stay tuned to see which one is kind of more of a better fit for you. And definitely make sure you get and start applying action and going to apply. So let's head right into the very first one. This is going to be the sales agent role. This is with the company called Assurant. So Assurant is basically insurance for multiple different products and services. They help different companies and different consumers protect so many different assets, from your phone all the way up to cars and actual homes as well. So this specific role is their sales agent position. Feel free when you get on their site to definitely look with the job ID. This is a full-time position recently added to their site, so definitely more of a fresh opportunity if you're interested. Now, the basis of this role, you will be and serve as the point of contact and fulfilling the insurance needs of different clients in Florida by assisting them with the sales process via inbound calls for manufactured homeowners. So 90% of handling inbound calls with no prospecting or cold calling. You'll be doing 10% of outbound calls to follow up on existing quotes. You'll adopt and develop strategies while meeting departmental monthly sales goals. You'll track and monitor personalized results to meet monthly sales and key performance goals. You'll follow underwriting requirements and corporate policies. You'll navigate computer systems, the internet, and other applications for tracking, gathering information, and troubleshooting. You'll also complete mandatory licensing, continuing education, and other training sessions as necessary and needed to perform the duties of the role. Now, far as requirements, what they're looking for from you is you do have to have a high school diploma or a GED and 1 year of sales or related experience. So if you don't have sales, if you have some type of customer service skills, or you've helped a friend with a business and you know how to talk to people, you can also utilize those skills to put them on your resume to actually add up to that 1 year of sales experience. Selling is literally really great customer service, so definitely keep that in mind. I don't want you guys to get deterred when you see things like this on a job description. Is really just being able to understand what they're looking for, being able to decode that, and being able to really put it on your resume in a really unique way, in a great way, so it speaks to what they're looking for. They're also looking for solid computer, grammar, and multitasking skills. You must have and possess a Florida property and casualty license or a Florida personal lines insurance license. Now, if you don't possess that, you do need to be able to get that license in your state, because once you get it in your state, you can just apply to have it in other states. You don't have to go through any type of licensing. Now, if you're wondering more about the licensing, the main basis of the licensing is you do have to undergo a background check, and a lot of it does also require fingerprinting. Okay, so keep that in mind when applying for that. If that is not something you're able to do, or you know that you're not going to pass the background check, do not worry. We do have other opportunities that we are going to go over on this video that do not require that. I do also want to encourage you to continue to always look at previous videos that have been posted to see if any of those jobs better align with your needs. Now, moving right along, the schedule for this role is going to be 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. And some of the other things that they're looking for, which would be helpful, they're kind of pluses if you do have them. If you do have 2 years of call center or insurance experience, that's going to work in your favor. Have strong analytical listening, problem solving, and negotiating skills. If you can thrive in a really fast-paced environment, if you're detail oriented, able to prioritize tasks really, really well, and exceptionally experienced and excellent in oral and written communication skills, all of those are going to be pluses for you. Now, this role is paying $18.23 up to $29.19 per hour, which is a really great rate of pay for starting and them not requiring a whole lot of experience starting off. So definitely, if you are interested in this sales agent role, get on over to Assurant and get your application in. And we're going to head over into the next role. This is going to be with the company called Hitachi. Now, they are a energy and a renewable energy solution and company. The role I'm bringing to you through them is their inside sales associate role. role. It is a full-time position and it is completely remote and work from home. They do have a travel requirement of up to about 5%, which may be once a year. The salary range for this role is $18.34 up to $25.22. Now, your primary responsibilities are going to be to vet customer purchase orders and submit new orders for processing. You'll spot check orders. You'll act as the point of contact for any customer questions and on orders that come in. You'll escalate issues appropriately to the right manager. You'll process new gauge orders. You'll monitor sales team usage. You'll update sales trackers as necessary for commission purposes. You'll communicate current lead times from factories. You'll also seek to establish and maintain long-term relationships with customers. You'll participate in conference and trade shows as required. Now, what they're looking for from you is a high school diploma or equivalent like a GED. You are going to need 1 to 3 years of experience in a customer service related role. Also experience managing multiple projects and tasks and the ability to prioritize to meet deadlines. You're going to also need experience with a customer relationship management application, ideally Salesforce. And then some of the skills that they're looking for is just driven by helping customers, being able to find solutions to complex situations, and being detailed oriented. So if you are interested in this inside sales associate role, head on over to Hitachi and get applying for this good old inside sales associate role. Now, if you are wondering how you need to update your resume for some of the jobs that we did go over, definitely feel free to get your hands on the resume keyword guide. You can find the link to the resume keyword guide down in the description as well as the pinned comments. The resume keyword guide is going to give you over 300 different resume keywords in over 11 different industries that is automatically going to hand over keywords on a silver platter to you for you to be able to update your resume very, very quickly, so you don't waste a lot of time trying to sit in front of a computer to get your resume just right for jobs like this. But instead, it actually helps you update it quickly so you can actually apply for more jobs and really start getting in and getting callbacks for interviews. Now, with the resume keyword guide, you'll also get some additional resources and bonuses as well. So if you are interested in being able to level up your resume very, very quickly, get your hands on the resume keyword guide. Once again, you can find a link to that down in the description as well as the pinned comments. Heading on over to our good friends at US Bank, I am bringing the first opportunity to you, which is the mortgage loan originator role. This one was recently posted. It is going to be in their sales and relationship management department. And getting more into the details of this opportunity is really originate mortgage loans. You'll take applications, you'll conduct preliminary underwriting reviews, submit loan applications to processing and underwriting for approval. You'll also do some follow-up to ensure that all the documents that are required are there for them to process and review with the loan. Now, this role does require a national mortgage licensing system registration. You do have to undergo a criminal background check for that actual license and a credit check to be able to maintain it and get it under your belt. Now, this role is remote. However, it will be hybrid if you do live near the actual location. If you don't, it is completely fine. It is completely remote. Now, the basic qualifications you're going to need for this role is a high school diploma or equivalent like a GED. You are going to need a minimum of 1 year of mortgage sales, real estate, or banking experience, and be able to travel as well. Now, some of the preferred qualifications are pluses if you have them, is having well-developed sales abilities, have basic knowledge of pricing and underwriting requirements of various mortgage insurance companies, have working knowledge of underwriting requirements for different kind of mortgage loans, have basic knowledge of local, state, and national laws, be able to work independently, be able to analyze financial information, and have excellent written and verbal communication skills. Now, some of the benefits that you are going to get is medical, dental, and vision insurance. You'll get basic term and optional term life insurance, short-term and long-term disability, pregnancy, disability, and parental leave, a 401k and employer-funded retirement plan, paid vacation time, And it can be anywhere from 2 weeks to 5 weeks, depending on your salary grade and your tenure. And then you'll get up to 11 paid holidays, adoption assistance, sick and safe leave accruals as well. So if you are interested in this mortgage loan originator role, definitely head on over to US Bank and start that application. Getting into the next role I had with them, this one is their business development consultant. It is within Fintech, so financial technology. It is going to be within their sales and relationship management department. Now, within this role, you're going to collaborate and support US Bank's commercial and corporate banking with Fintech opportunities. You'll grow revenue as directed by senior management by successfully prospecting new business and retaining and expanding existing customer relationships. Those are going to be the main things that you are going to do. You'll do some managing of ongoing account relationship management, and then also internal relationships. You'll manage those. You'll work with different departments. What they're looking for from you is a bachelor's degree or equivalent work experience. So if you don't have the bachelor's degree, you are going to need that 3 to 4 years of experience. You'll need 9 or more years of product sales experience and be able to travel. What they're also looking for is, and some of the things that are going to be pluses, if you have at least 5 years of experience selling merchant processing, that's going to work in your favor. If you have experience dealing with, selling to, and have an experience working with C-level customers, executives, CFOs, CEOs, COOs that are really going to give you a level up if you have worked with them previously. If you have extensive knowledge of financial and or payment solution technologies, that's going to be great. If you have negotiation and communication skills, solid decision making and problem solving skills, you're able to utilize judgment and decision making processes, have effective pipeline management across leads, be able to build strong sales pipelines, demonstrate product knowledge that do include various solutions, markets, and competitive intellect, and also manage advanced knowledge of trends in the payment industry. Now, they're looking for excellent marketing and business development skills, having the ability to be creative in resolving complex problems and issues, having excellent interpersonal presentation, verbal and written communication skills. Now, the benefits you will get with this role is going to be the medical, dental, vision, the life insurance, short-term disability, pregnancy, disability, and parental leave, 401k and employee-funded retirement plans, paid vacations, up to 11 paid holidays, adoption assistance, sick and safe leave accruals as well. So if you are interested in this business development consultant role and you do have that background, definitely hurry up. Do not wait. Do not check with a friend. Make sure you get in right away and get that application rolling so you can get in the door for interviews and you can pivot and start really making these coins. Now, if you are in need of updating your resume and you're trying to figure out what you should be updating, what you should be putting on your resume so that it seamlessly moves throughout the system to get in the hands of real people like recruiters and HR professionals, I do have a resume keyword guide. You can find that down in the description box as well as the pinned comments. The resume keyword guide will give you over 300 different resume keywords to help you be able to update your resume very quickly, but also prime it for success so it moves through the system seamlessly and it gets in the hands of those humans that we want it to, right? Now, with the actual resume keyword guide, you'll also get some additional bonuses and resources. So definitely, if you're interested in being able to level up your resume fairly quickly and really be able to take all of the guesswork out of what should I be updating, how should my resume look, the resume keyword guide is going to assist you with that. Feel free to get your hands on your copy from the links down below in the description box as well as the pinned comments. Now, calling out all of the lurkers that have not become a part of the official family here on YouTube, I am calling you guys out and opening the doors wide open to you for you to come on in as an official family member. We would love to crown you as one of our family members. So definitely you can become a part of the tribe today, right this minute, by subscribing to the channel, turning that bell notification on and clicking all so you can be notified every single time I drop brand new videos with with these phenomenal Fortune 500 company remote job opportunities. I would love to personally help you land your next really high paying remote job. I would really hate for you to miss out on a really great job opportunity that will really help level up your finances, level up your work-life balance, and level up you being able to really live life on your own terms, literally because you were not a part of the family and you did not subscribe. So we don't want that to happen. So make sure you definitely become a part of the tribe today by subscribing to the channel and turning that bell notification on. Until next time, make sure you continue to thrive and you continue to reach for those good old career goals. And as always, I will see you guys in the very next one. Be blessed. Bye.